Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new, I pretty much make easy to understand Excel tutorials, and I'll be going into detail about how Excel works its magic too, and not just where to click. And I'm hoping this makes it easy to understand. And of course, if you have questions, just drop me a comment and I'll get back to you. Before I start, please subscribe if these easy how-to videos help you, and let's get into it. So today, I'm going to be talking about conditional formatting. In a nutshell, conditional formatting in Excel allows you to format cells based on a certain criteria. If cells meet a certain criteria, you can have them to automatically highlight themselves or change colors, or have it check if a value is above or below a certain threshold. And along those lines, you can get creative with your criteria, and it's really up to you how you want to use conditional formatting. And I'll show some examples of it in Excel so it's easier to understand. So say that this company had a dollar threshold every day that they needed to meet in order for it to be a good sales day. We can assume that the dollar threshold is 400 for now. So let's use conditional formatting to make that happen. So the first thing I'll do is I want to analyze these total values here. So I'm going to highlight those values. Then I'll click on conditional formatting up top, click new rule, and then I'm going to select format only cells that contain. Now the drop down below, have this say cell value. This middle one, we're going to have it say less than. And then in the text box to the right, I'll write 400. Now we're going to click format and select the color red. And pretty much what we're telling it to do is that if the cell value in any of these cells is less than 400, to format it in the color red. So I'll click OK. And you can see how it turns any value that's below 400 to be red. I'm actually going to go one step further. I'm going to highlight them again. And I'll do conditional formatting, manage rules, and then I'll click another new rule. And I'll do the same steps as I did before. Format only cells that contain cell value, but on this one, instead of doing less than, I'm going to do greater than or equal to, and then 400. And then I'm going to format those colors to be green. Okay, so I hit OK, and now it automatically is going to, our threshold is 400. So if they want to quickly take a glance to see which sales days were good days and which sales days were bad days, it's going to automatically highlight those for you. So now at a quick glance, you can see exactly, red, green, red. You can get a quick glance without having to look too deep into the number itself. So as you can see, conditional formatting makes it really easy to separate out these values based on if our threshold was met or not. And we can see at a quick glance which days are in the green and which days are in the red. And that's pretty much conditional formatting in a nutshell. An easy way to conditionally format cells based on criteria that you decide. And there you have it. So that wraps up my video. If this helped you, then please do subscribe and be on the lookout for more Excel how-to videos. I'm hoping to help as many people as I can become data experts in Excel in the most easy to understand way possible. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.